Hi guys, join me to shop for my cake things, meat pie things today. Though I've gotten a lot from different shops, but I decided to do a bigger shopping from this particular store, that's Tesco. So I got my Irish potatoes, I got carrots, and I'm moving over to pick other things. The Irish potato costs around £1.70 something, while the carrot is not up to £1. So here I'm picking butter. You can see the price around £3 something. So I picked three containers of stock butter. Stock butter is nice. If you live in the UK, stock butter is a good deal for your icing, buttercream, cake, meat pie, and different pastries. Stock butter is a good deal. So moving to the other side to pick my minced meat. You can see the price around £4.99. Let's just say £5. So I picked two packs because I'm making a lot of meat pies. So that is that. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Mrs. Progress Innocent. You can also be a part of this channel. Here I'm picking tomato paste. This is our own tomato paste. Yeah, it's just like normal paste, so we use here. So, and it's pretty nice, around 45 pieces. So I picked up to 5 pieces. It's nice. I mixed it with fresh tomato. I picked salt around £1 something. So it's very, very good. So be a part of this channel only by subscribing to my channel. Just click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be a part of this channel. So I moved ahead to check other things I need. I'm carrying my baby girl. I don't know whether her face will be able to show, but all the same, I moved on to check other things. Please don't forget to like this video. To my ODs, my fans, my beautiful people that has always been here, please, thanks a million for coming. I thank you with my heart. Okay, this Tesco evaporated milk, so beautiful. You can see 59p. That's a good one. It's good for your cake, it's good for meat pie, chin chin, anything. So I packed enough. I think I hope to 6 or 5 pieces. So I moved on for other things. Recently, I've been asking myself different questions because I noticed a lot of things are expensive right now. I picked coffee mix. That's good for coffee. You can also use it for your normal tea. It's a good one. So I don't know about you. Please tell me, do you think Tesco is expensive, or do you think you can pick cheap things in Tesco? I picked my cake board. You can see the price, £1.50. So I picked one, and I picked some other things. So I don't know. So feel free to tell me in the comment section. Do you think Tesco is expensive? Which other stores do you think that is cheaper in the UK? Just put on the comment section. So I checked out for fondant, thinking if I will use fondant for the cake or I should use buttercream. But I noticed something. A lot of things are not in this cake side. That is why I told you I was able to get some other things outside this shop. This cocoa powder for the chocolate cake. Yeah, a few things I picked from Tesco and other things I got from other shops. And again, if you know where they sell only cake accessories in the UK, especially if you're living in Sheffield, please put on the comment section for me. I wish to know. Very, very important. So I checked out other things I need. Order. So there are a lot of things I checked out here. You can see this cocoa powder. I noticed the other one is cheaper. The Tesco one is cheaper. Cocoa powder is cocoa powder for me. I don't think there's anything different, just different brown company. That is all. Nothing much. Right now I'm checking the how many grams. I notice it's still the same thing, so no need. I picked the normal cocoa powder. The Tesco one is cheaper, so I picked flour. I make sure I have enough flour in the house, whether I'm using all or not. At least let me have in the house so that if I want to make something sharp, something little for the family, I can easily access them. So right now I picked egg. This particular egg normally you will buy it around £1. Right now it's so expensive. You can imagine that, almost £2 right now. Things are pretty expensive. Please tell me, yeah, how are things where you're staying? What is going on? I don't understand. Or is it that Tesco is now expensive? Please let me know in the comment section. So I picked the eggs. and I checked for icing sugar, pretty important. So I picked 2 kgs here, 2 packets, because I'm doing a big icing, a big buttercream for the cake icing. So I need a bigger sugar. So I picked normal sugar. The icing sugar was, you can see the normal sugar is around £1.70 something p's. Yes, so I picked sugar, normal sugar, and normal icing. So I picked one half packet, that's 500 grams of icing sugar, and 1 kg, that's 2 kgs. So I bought this because I'm making meat pie also, so at least to use them pack the meat pies. That was around £2 something. So even 4 people is expensive. I checked for baking paper, I needed it, so I picked baking paper. The checks for cling film, and I needed. I picked. You can see the baking paper is around £1.40 something, 40p's, and even everything is expensive to me. This is not the Tesco I know, but all the same, I continued the shopping. I saw a better baking paper for £2 because it's a very cheap. It's better and cheaper for me, so I picked it. But I noticed it's just the brown one. So I went ahead. Baking paper is baking paper, so I picked banana. I love banana, and my daughter also enjoys banana. So I saw this beautiful cashew nut. I've gotten it before for the first time, and I noticed it gives me that Ninja cashew nut vibes taste. So I decided to be buying it every day I enter this Tesco. See, it's very expensive, £2.55, just this small thing, but it's so yummy, so yummy. So this particular cream crackers, I bought bread stick. I love it because I saw sesame seed on it. It's so pretty, and I decided to try. So even the crackers, I decided to try a whole lot. Yeah, this is all we got for £71. Yes, look at that, £71. So feel free to like this video, feel free to subscribe. This is the breadstick I got. You can see the crackers biscuit I bought. You can see that. So feel free to be a part of this channel. Just subscribe, like my video. 65p's, not up to £1. So I don't like sugary biscuits. I just need something I need to be taking tea with. So that is all. So here right now, I'm checking out things. Things we got. Everything was around £71. £71 is around 100. What's 100? Yes, around 100 and something thousand in Nigeria. 100 and 40 something thousand or 50 something thousand in Nigeria right now. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.